Welcome to ABM's Electrification Center in Cumming, Georgia. This is where ABM is shaping the future of sustainable energy solutions, bringing together innovative technologies and expertise to drive the electrification revolution. We're excited to take you on a virtual tour of the Electrification Center to see firsthand how this is coming to life. Before we go inside, let's have a quick look at the impressive solar canopy. This isn't just a shade structure. It's a powerful demonstration of our commitment to renewable energy and sustainable practices. It generates enough electricity to power our employee and guest parking, and is connected to our microgrid. We're now stepping inside the ABM offices, where we welcome our clients, partners, and team members to the world of electrification. The offices were designed to foster collaboration and idea sharing. It's in spaces like this where some of our most innovative solutions are born. Our 2 state-of-the-art training rooms are equipped with the latest technology. This is where we grow and expand the skill sets of our team members, ensuring they're always at the forefront of electrification expertise. With hands-on experiences using the latest equipment and advanced simulations, including EV charger maintenance, troubleshooting, as well as interoperability testing, we provide comprehensive learning experiences to team members from ABM and Ravenvolt, as well as our partners. Now we're entering our warehouse. Here you can see our EV service truck, which we use to quickly resolve client issues in the field, and EV chargers that we use for hands-on training. The Electrification Center spans over 100,000 square feet, giving us plenty of room to grow as we ramp up capabilities in this space. Here we have our internal charging bay that can handle an electric bus or semi-truck to support the transportation of the future. From here, you can see our facility microgrid that encompasses power sources like a backup generator, the solar canopy you saw previously, and future batteries. This microgrid also ties into the facility energy needs, an EV charging system on site, and is a fantastic way of showcasing our broad equipment and controls capabilities to our clients. The Ravenvolt fabrication area is where we customize solutions to meet specific client needs, combining high-tech equipment with skilled craftsmanship. We're now entering the Ravenvolt offices. Here is where Ravenvolt's engineering, sales, and other teams work in close proximity to their ABM counterparts, demonstrating the power of working together as one team. Next, we move into our state-of-the-art monitoring center, where we keep a vigilant eye on our systems and ensure optimal performance for our clients. We track our EV network's metrics and field analysis in real time and generate insights into Ravenvolt systems. It's the central nervous system of our operations, allowing us to provide proactive support around the clock, 24/7, 365. This new facility is already powering our Ravenvolt and ABM teams to new heights. Hope that you've enjoyed seeing how ABM is leading the way into the future. Learn more about ABM at abm.com.